Unity, perseverance, confidence, and resilience have been the strength of the Blind Gardeners Rotary Community Corps since it started in October of 2024. Since its birth, the group, sponsored by the Rotary Club of Creative City Baguio and under the guidance of their advisor Ruby Gan, has ventured to several projects and trainings empowering the visually impaired in Baguio City and Benguet.
Kayo ay pinag-isipan na maging member dito. Hindi tayo humugot lang sa ibang mga kasama natin. Talagang handpicked kayo.
The group started to make a name for its organic urban gardening, a concept which started by Gan during the pandemic. Together, the members plant, tend, and harvest collaboratively their produce to the table. Skills of each member are also actively demonstrated and shared as they work on their livelihood projects like handicrafts,
Quality, as you can see, ang ganda po ng pagkagawa niya.
with the support of RCCB. The RCC District 3790 through Chair Past President Virgil Garcia, and Juras Credit Cooperative through General Manager Gino Jimenez and Company on September 24, 2025, the Corps was able to expand its livelihood programs.
Let's go beyond charity. Let's instead empower them and see them as a person with different abilities.
We have some funds na i-allocate and then ito po yung isa na napag-usapan ng directors and the management. So,
May maitutulong po na financial help. We will use it po for training. For better and bigger projects.
From urban gardening to the table, the group has ventured into chicken eggs production.
It's not too challenging. Actually, it's very enjoyable. Yun lang, when you are visually impaired, you have to be very careful feeding the chickens so they don't get out.
This was followed by pickled egg processing. The Blind Gardeners RCC also continues to provide livelihood project through homemade atcharang labanos, garlic chili paste, and pickled radish products. Monthly, the members of the group gather together for a meeting, sharing ideas for future projects. They also organize workshops to develop new skills among the members and to foster team collaboration. A day with seniors, a powerful way of showing appreciation and valuable time to the Golden Ager, is another essential project of the Corps in collaboration of its sponsoring club. They also partner in providing workshop on urban gardening. The Blind Gardeners Rotary Community Corps is committed in making more sustainable and impactful programs and projects that will empower the visually impaired community.